My dad can balance it on his
Hey guys, today I'm at my friend's house.
What's up?
They have a cow over there. Let's go see the cow. And they got chickens, turkeys.
Can I do it?
What?
Can I videotape you?
Hey, hold the phone. We're gonna go close to the cow. Come on.
Partner, they're gonna be in the YouTube video?
Sí.
Then vete. Vete para allá con papá.
Yeah, the cow.
Touch the cow.
No. Oh.
Touch it. It's not gonna do anything to you.
It's huge. Yo.
Dulce.
Yo, it ran away.
It's called Dulce.
No te lo comas, eso no te vas a comer ahí.
Yo, the cow.
Dulce.
Yo, it's leaving. Yo.
Don't worry, it's not gonna go far because my dad has a rope. Dulce. Dulce.
Is that the name of the cow?
Yeah, Dulce.
Vente, Fátima.
Dulce.
Vente. No, vente, para que camines para allá, para que vaya caminando, vente. Yo te voy a agarrar. Vente para acá, para este lado.
Dulce. Look up here.
Yo.
Párate, vente.
Alright, guys, I'm actually kind of scared to touch the cow. I've actually never.
Chicken.
What?
You're such a chicken.
Yeah, you have chickens over there.
You're a chicken.
Okay.
You're a chicken.
Yeah, I eat chicken.
So you're a chicken.
You have chickens over there.
You don't know what you're a chicken.
You're cooking chicken.
No, we're not.
Que no te hace nada.
Dulce.
Oh, yo.
My dad should be at a show telling cow
Hey.
for cows.
Should I touch it?
Yeah, touch it.
Yo, Donnie, come over here.
Touch the cow.
Alright.
Touch it.
I'm gonna touch it.
Touch it. Go touch it.
Yo.
Dulce, just touch it. It's not gonna do anything to you. It's not gonna do anything to you. You are a chicken. Chicken. Touch it. Try to get the club.
No.
Do it. Touch it. My dad has it right there. Try to touch it. Touch it.
I'm gonna touch it.
Touch it. Get close to it.
¿Cómo?
No.
Can I?
Sí.
Do it.
Yo, I'm scared.
Okay, then you're a chicken.
Yeah, you have chickens over there.
Le tuve que amarrar un lazo de sus manos y agarrarla
Donnie,
porque
come
se andaba
over here. I'm
muriendo.
scared.
Tony, come touch the cow.
Come touch the cow with me. Okay.
Fatima,
What?
say hi.
Hey. Oh, touch the cow.
Don't. It's not gonna do anything to you. Hug it. Hug it.
Hey.
Hug it. Hug it. Hug it. Girl.
Yeah, it's pretty soft. I have a
Dulce.
golf club.
This is Dulce.
No, se echan nomás que pesa.
Her name is Candy. We're gonna go. Hey, I'm gonna go show them the rest of the animals.
Alright, we're gonna go see the chickens. The chickens are right there.
They can't see it.
Yo,
Let's
you
go
guys
over
are
here.
so lucky. You have animals and I don't.
That's because you live in a neighborhood. We live on the highway.
No, like I want a dog, but my parents don't.
You can have one of ours, but I don't think. We have sheep.
You got goats?
Those are sheep. And yes, we do have goats. We have a pig, sheep, chickens, more sheep, cows. We have more cows.
No, what?
We have more cows over there.
Oh,
Over there.
you guys cook hamburgers? Because cow meat is made out of.
We don't.
Oh, you have a pig?
Yeah.
Yo, pigs are
We have the mom.
pigs are feisty.
We have the mom cow. Yeah. Of the Dulce. Her name is Chapada.
Pigs are feisty.
Hi.
No, wait.
Hi.
Yo, be careful with
I'm putting your brother on YouTube.
Huh? Daniel, go.
Oh,
What?
don't touch this. Don't touch that.
Yeah, that electrocutes you. Right there. That's it. Right here. This line right here. Yeah, down there. Where that like those blue. The turkeys are on the other side.
Daniel, go.
Oh, there's a turkey right here.
In there?
But they're small.
Oh, wait,
I'll go get it.
No.
I'll get it.
Yo, I'm scared. No. This is
Then you're a chicken.
joking.
No, I'll go get
You
it.
have chickens right in. No, I'm scared.
Scaredy cat. Scared cat. Say hi. Look at you, Alejandro. Alejandro. I said the turkey, Tony, not the gallo.
You got scared too, Papi.
You were so scared. That was because, like, huh? Your phone is right here.
Oh, what's that? The rainbow thing.
What rainbow thing?
Water balloons?
Yeah. Do you want to go wet? You want to get wet?
Oh, rooster.
You want to get wet?
No, I'm
You
actually.
want to go to our goats?
No.
I'm going.
No, don't take the phone. No, don't be no.
I'm not going in. There's a fence.
Don't take the phone.
I'm taking the phone.
Yo, that's my phone. Get it. I hope you fall.
I hope you die. Oh my god! We have our bunny.
You have a bunny?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mom! Right here. I'm putting it on YouTube. It's our bunny. That's right there. Here's our bunny. Para Fatima, no. No, Fatima. I was gonna put it on YouTube. Turkeys. Okay.
You're acting like it's yours.
I just want to. No, Fatima. Here you go.
No, it's for you.
Here you go.
Hey guys, please like and subscribe if you like animals. Because they have tons.
You do not know who we are, except for him. If you don't dare put me on YouTube.
I just did. That's what you get for taking the phone. Thank you. What?